Guys, welcome back to Darkness Rises Tips and Tricks. Today I'm gonna test gear disassembly with 100% great success. Also I'm gonna morph gear. So let's start, guys. So we're gonna start first with the warrior. I'm gonna try to do on each character some gear disassembly and maybe some gear morphing if I have enough morphing crystals. So let's start with the warrior. Let's see what gear we have in here. Okay, nice. So as you can see, great success chance 100%. I finally managed to reach that. So let's see, let's try the weapon. Should I try more at one time? Okay, let's try 3. Ooh, nice. Wow, so far was good. Okay, 1 if I open. No, let's try 3. Okay, 3 great success. That's good. It's not bad. 2 great successes. And how many here? And let's try some S. Okay, nice. Wow. Okay, rank B, not so good. 1. Let's try 5. Only 1 from 5. Wow. Okay, 2 from 2. It's kind of random. None in here. 1. And let's try some S. Okay, 5. Wow, so it seems for rank S it's the chance is quite high right now. Let's see. Should I try this? What do you think, guys? Not. Okay, let's see how many can we craft. So almost 2, pretty close. I'm gonna keep 1 for later. Let's see. Let's go on the mage. The mage, guys. Not many in here. So the rank B is still low. Okay, 1. Another 1. Let's try some rank S. 1, but I didn't get what I wanted. And oh, I'm getting more blues now. Why? Let's try the accessories. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Should I try some A+? I don't know. Let's try 1. See what's the chance. Oh, nice. That was good. I might try one more time. Let's try one more time. See if we can get another 6. No. Okay, so it's not guaranteed, but A+. Okay, let's see how many we still need. 1. Only 1. Okay. Let's get some. I have 4. Should have in the trophy shop some. Oh, not enough currency. Okay. Come on. Oh, the rank B is pretty low. Let's try this. Nope. Come on, it's giving what? what I don't actually need. This is random. Okay. Just one. Okay, let me open some gear, is better, because I'm wasting all my, I know I should have in here. These are for archer, mage, okay. And come on. Oof. This is incredible. I don't know what to do. Let's disassemble one more. Okay, finally. Kinda wasted a few plus gear, but okay, let's try for. So I noticed there is an increase, guys. It's not a huge difference, but there is an increase when you reach 100% chance. Okay, let's see. Let's try on this one. Oh, nice. I got one from there. No, let's try like this. Okay, none. Oh, how come? Okay, 5 again. Let's try with 3. Okay, 6 blue and 5 yellow. So it's better to open one by one when it comes to S, guys. To disassemble, not open. It seems. Rank B, pretty low the chance. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. Wow, I had from before, I think. What else? Let's try. Let's see the assassin and then the berserker also. Okay, wow, I got from rank B. Oh. No, rank B it's pretty low. Still, let's see for accessories. Got one, another one. Oh, for accessories a bit better, it seems. None and none. Oh, okay. For this one I don't think I have enough. Nope. Now let's go. Let's see the witch and then the berserker. Nothing. Oh, 2. Wow. And none. 1. Nice. So when you disassemble S, like I said, I think the great success chance, it means you have a great success chance of 100% for an S, S plus or S plus plus. That's what I think. I'm not sure. But so far on S, I didn't fail. I mean, I always got one great success from each, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And then we're gonna go on the main. Oh, wow. In here 102. That's crazy. And let's go on the berserker also. Disassemble, let's see. Rank B, nothing. 1 from rank A. Ooh, 2, nice. Another one. Again. Oh, wow, I got 2. And nothing in there. Another one, so it's better. For sure it's better, it's higher. Nice. Do I have an S that I don't need? Not really. Okay, let's see how many I got for the Berserker. Still need 7 more. So I think I'm gonna do the morphing on the others because I don't have enough for the main. And on the main I'm gonna do another time. Let's see what we have. Gear. Okay, we have the tier 8 PV, so this is guaranteed will give something better, no? So let's try. Let's see what we'll get. Could this be tier 10 PvP battlefield? Let's see. Wish me luck, guys. And what is this? Okay, tier 8 PvP. Well, it's a bit better. I already have one. So I don't know. Should I try one more? We'll see. Let's go on the other. I'm gonna decide after. Let's see on the mage. Okay. So I have the tier 8 again. So let's try. Maybe I get better luck on the mage. Okay, can I get tier 9, tier 10? Come on. Come on, bro. And okay, tier 9. Okay, not good, not bad. I already have one, but tier 9 is better than tier 8, which was PvP. Okay, now let's see what we have. The assassin, I don't have enough. Let's see the archer. The archer. Oh wow, I got this one. I forgot last time. Yeah, I need to change this too, I think, or keep this for the PV set. Okay, let's see. Do I have anything in here that I could morph? How about the weapon? Not really. I need to fuse and then I will be able to morph. So let's move to the witch. I think on the witch I have some gear. Should I try on the weapon? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try one time on this, and I think I'm gonna try on the weapon. Let's go and craft one more for weapon. So wish me luck, guys. And let me know if you got any luck with morphing or fusions. Okay, let's see. First, I said I'm gonna do for this garment, tier 9. Who knows? What I noticed from morphing, when you morph tier 9, you have a higher chance to get tier 10. Usually. So let's see. Or you can get tier 8. Let's see. And okay, what's this? Tier 8 PvP. At least it's PvP, no? Okay, let's see, maybe better luck with the weapon. Yeah, let's try. Again a tier 9 PvE. And can I get a tier 10 or PvP battlefield? Let's see. Come on. And what's this? What's this? Tier 8 PvP. Lots of tier 8 from both fusion and morphing. So it's I don't know, at least for me what I noticed. Let me know if you got the same chance. So now it seems it's a bit harder to get the tier 9, especially the PvP, or tier 10. I don't know. Let's see. I forgot to collect this. How come? Okay. Let me try to max. Try to reach 10 million on this one. Why not? Let's see. Oh, okay. Costumes, okay. What else I have? Maybe I should try transcend or try some other times. Maybe I should try some other times. Yeah, it's better. So I'm not in a rush. Anyways, guys, as you can see, with 100% great success chance, yes, you get more materials. At least I tried 4 gear. I'm gonna test in another video for costumes materials, maybe pets, I don't know. And when it comes to morphing, you still get lots of tier 8, especially now you get more PvP tier 8. Before you used to get more PvE tier 8, so maybe next time they will give tier 9 more of those, we'll see. So let me know also if it's the same for you, if you get more tier 8 or I don't know. And see you in the next video. Bye.